off-roading, boys.
Yeah, see, so the moral of the story is the less work you put into your car, apparently it just gets better.
Gets better. I do know we gotta keep an eye on this tire. Oh, Tobini, you sleepy boy. He's asleep. Oh, speaking of, we got Theo in the stands tonight. Little fans in the stands. Yeah, Dimitri's Dimitri's wife's bringing Theo, their oldest. Dimit's not gonna be here, but somewhere over there, we got a fan. Yeah, so I adjusted the clutch this morning, and it goes into first.
Nice.
Nice. Adjusted the clutch, goes into first. Yeah, pulled the rear end, resealed that, and I made a really big swing on springs. So I don't know. I brought the other spring with me just in case we have to change it back out. But no, trying something tonight. We don't get any tests in 2 days, so I'm like, try something. It'll be really nice or it'll be dog shit.
Well, last time it was super slick. It turned out pretty good, no?
Yeah, for the most part, but it's just a one-line track though.
Yeah,
it makes for boring. Like it's boring. It's a boring race. Plus, it's like impossible to make a move on anybody. Yeah. So tonight's gonna be interesting. I say hold us off as long as you want. Start the show late. And I came to the shop this morning and that tire was flat. So I put air in it. It's holding.
Yeah.
So I don't know. We might have to keep tabs on that because that's the outside.
Yeah. More necessary tire?
More necessary tire, so I might just change it just to be safe. And then if we need to
run it in the heat and see how it does.
Oh yeah, I thought about just running it in the heat and see how it does, but
I wouldn't do hot laps.
No.
Fuck that.
Come on, I don't do hot laps.
No.
The only way I'll do hot laps is if we like really change something.
Yeah.
And like, yes, I made a big swing with the suspension, but the hot laps that are gonna go on tonight,
ain't gonna help.
You'll never know. I would say stick it at the 15, 17, somewhere around there.
This is why I was bugging them last weekend. I'm like, what's the secret sauce? Because look, if you're not here, what's the secret sauce?
Get out of here, man. No. Oil, what oil? In the hole.
He's still learning.
Yeah.
That's why he's only got one kid.
That's why I only got one kid.
When you do an oil change though, don't pull an Andrew. Don't put 5 gallons in. 5 liters.
5 gallons.
It ran mint for 5 minutes and then she just walked up. Everybody's like, well, how much did you put in? I'm like, a jug. They're like, well, where's your jug? And I got this 5 gallon thing. I'll put it right here.
Here we go. We're ready to go racing. I suppose I check the lineup.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Oh, Toby's alive. What's going on?
Oh, yeah.
You have a good nap?
Yeah.
That's good. I came in to wake you up before I left, and you didn't budge, and I'm like, all right, well, he'll wake up. Well, there's a ticket at the door for you. Oh, we're in Heat 1. God damn it. Heat 1, we're starting third, right behind Dave Winiger. Hannah Rothwell's in our class, the 61 A&A Auto car. I really gotta find out how to say his name. I feel like a jerk. Kyle Rothwell, Austin Worstra, well, Donnie Deagle. Yeah, we're starting third, Heat 1. Whenever we actually go racing, it'll happen eventually. The sun's even peering through the sky.
All right, now's your chance.
Hello, YouTube. quickest in the heat. We ran at 23.4. Hannah was the next one with a 23.7. 37th, right behind Johnny, beside Blair, kitty corner to Kenny, in front of Oliver and Hannah. Yeah, so that's where we're starting 7th. So inside too. I really want to test the outside, so I'll wait for Johnny to hit that outside and see what he does, and then I'll make my decision.
Woo! I thought I was being a dickhead doing that. Because I was hitting the rev limiter and then I just cut down and turn it sideways and just punch it again. Dude. Yes, man. Dude, you were flying at the end, dude.
Kenny blew up his motor.
Oh shit.
He had to get pushed off the scales.
Just now, like just.
Open if you don't mind.
Yeah, when I used to be up here.
All good, man. Are you controlling your fuel pump on the top?
It's on a switch.
Okay.
The oil pressure switch. I know literally like last weekend, I didn't have a spare, so I just wired it up for tonight.
But we gotta get that on.
Yeah.
That is something we can't screw around.
Yeah.
Saw that modified it go over.
No, I missed it.
Right? And then we had another fire over there. Like,
over there, yeah.
yeah, get this fixed.
Yeah. Howdy, boys.
So what we're gonna do is hook up 2 fake wires to that. I'm just kidding. We're gonna take care of it legally.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make sure.
Yeah.
Don't come back without it hooked up. Buy 2 switches so you have a spare.
Yeah.
Okay?
Exactly.
Okay, get it back together, man.
Cool. Awesome.
Thank
Thanks.
We got dark! Woo!
Tape that. Put it on the wall.
Yeah, see, so the moral of the story is the less work you put into your car, apparently it just gets better.
It gets better. Well, I did put
The
that.
hidden secret.
We did change that spring and we put stagger, a little more stagger in it than we usually run.
That was at the track, you know what I mean?
And you filled up the dip.
Oh, I did put the diff fluid in. And I adjusted the clutch today.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
So,
Moral of the story is put about an hour's worth of work.
yeah.
And then go race.
Solid hour and a half, and you're good to go.
You did an oil change today.
Yeah, I did an oil change because there was none in it, and then I put some in it.
Oh, now you're just sitting. It's like the list is getting bigger. Like, what's next? You fix and paint and shit too.
Yeah, we did a crush. Weight reduction. Sorry, Johnny.
No, we're not.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
You, Johnny.
Any day you can be your boy Lubeck.
That's a good day.
That's a good day. Mustang's on a roll. Should be. Should be pumped.
All time. Blackwell Racing Head, Type S. Well, we finally got a top 3. Throwing some crazy suspension at it and like just changing my mind on stuff like last minute. Worked really nicely. So we'll see how it works next week with a probably like a dry, slick, dusty track, you know, like usual, and or they'll wet the concrete down before we go out, and it'll be slick and greasy, and I'm very happy. Feel good. We made it through tech, which was nice.
That's a win in itself.
That's a win in itself. We got third. 7th to 3rd. I'll take that any day of the week. Yeah. So hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, support your local dirt track, and we'll see you next weekend.